South Africans began voting Wednesday in a critical election that could challenge the African National Congress' three-decade dominance since ending apartheid in 1994. The ANC, facing discontent from a new generation amidst high poverty and a 32% unemployment rate, might lose its parliamentary majority for the first time. Support for the ANC has dwindled, with polls suggesting it could fall below 50%, a significant drop from its 57.5% in the 2019 election. President Cyril Ramaphosa has urged patience, promising improvements. If the ANC loses its majority, it might need to form a coalition government. Despite fierce but fragmented opposition from parties like the Democratic Alliance and the Economic Freedom Fighters, the ANC remains likely to secure the most seats. Nearly 28 million people are registered to vote at over 23,000 polling stations, with results expected by Sunday. The election underscores South Africa's socio-economic challenges and its political diversity, reflecting the country's complex demographic makeup and the legacy of Nelson Mandela's vision of a rainbow nation.